All right, so I'm going to show you how to create the video for the students and then email it to me. So I'm going to go to your start. I just click on camera. You can also type it in. So click on camera. You're going to change it from the default, which is probably photo, to take video. It's not, I don't know if it's going to let me hit record, but we'll see. Um, so then you record your video and you say what you want to say about student expectations, and then you stop. You're going to click on that video, and I always choose to open in folder so I can kind of see where that went. And then, okay, it's this PC. So then I'm going to close all this out. I'm going to go to my email and new message, and then I would just attach it from where it is. And then just send it to me as an attachment, and then that way I can include your video, no problem. Thank you.